Hi guys, today what we have here is a box of supplements from Supp Supplements. This is not a sponsored video and I have paid for it myself. This has come in this cardboard box with my name on it. Let's just open the box and see what's inside. The first what we have here is a copy of invoice. Let's put that to the side. Then we have here is a manual kind of a booklet with my name on it, and it says your personalized vitamin pack is here. So I had filled a survey on their website supp.in. Based on the parameters, they suggested me these three vitamins, or I should say pills. Here is a thank you note, the pills that were selected, some of their suggestions, some more suggestion how to use this. These are the ingredients with some more details around the specific pills contained in the box. It contains amount per serving, daily percentages value, manufacturing date, and the best time to have this pill for all three. And here some more details. Let's put that also to the side. Then what we have here is the main box of the pills and vitamins, and that's it. So let's look at this box. So there's nothing this side, just this illustration. Here what we have is their social media handles, just a seal box, and on top it says just what you need. On this is the most important part, and at the bottom we have nothing. So let's get to the Supp tracker. Here it has 30 days tracker, and we can easily use a pen on it to easily mark the days we have taken the pills. And all the pills, personalized pills, come in these small pouches. Let me open this one for you. And here are the three pills. So let's put this also to the side and this box and have a look at the vitamins. Mint stripes with vitamin D. Nothing here. And all the benefits it can offer, ingredients, nutritional facts, and health in the midst. Let's open this one. So it has three of these small packages inside. This second one, and there's the third one. So we get three of these in this box. Let's open one of these little packs. And it opens up like this, and we can take out and have any one of these. Is that cute tiny box? Just what you need. And that's it. This is the unboxing of the Supp Supplements personalized pack. Hope you liked it. See you in the next video.